it's Anna. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you our fish extenders that I put together for our upcoming Disney cruise to Alaska. I am so excited about these fish extenders. I'm just excited to participate. And in case you don't know what fish extenders are, let me give you the quickest explanation. So I'm not sure if this is across all cruises or it's only for Disney Cruise, because this is only our second Disney cruise or cruise at all. So you have to go on Facebook and find a Facebook group for your particular sailing. So it will have your cruise type, destination, and the dates. Make sure you get the correct dates, and then someone who is running that group will have like a document, a page, or a post saying that, hey, you can sign up for fish extenders over here. There are different fish extenders. There's adult only, kids only, and then family, or like the entire cabin. And it's kind of the same as like the gift exchange or ornament exchange. It could be just adult, kid, family. So you sign up through there, and then the person, you know, kind of sends you, I guess, like a questionnaire, and you fill it out, letting them know, are you celebrating anything on the cruise? You know, who's going on the cruise? How many adults? How many kids? Do you want to share their names? Do you want to share their ages? Does anybody like specific characters or colors? Are you allergic to anything? Is there something that you prefer not to receive? You know, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite, I don't know, destination? Anything, favorite sports? You just kind of give as much information as you want, or you can also choose not to give anything except like there are 2 adults and 2 kids, a boy and a girl, and that's it. There was a lot of interest for our particular cruise. They're doing ornament exchange, magnet exchange, they're different fish extenders. So I only signed up for one, and then I just got extra stuff to do extra pixie dusting on our own if we wanted to. So I will show you guys everything. I have all of the information for everyone that's in the cabins on our cruise. I like wrote everything out because it definitely gets a little bit to be overwhelming, especially I think if it's your first time. You're like, oh my god, this cabin is here, this cabin is there, 2 kids, 3 adults, 4 kids, you know, this age, that age. So it kind of gets a little bit overwhelming. So I do have to say that in our entire group of the people who are participating in our fish extenders, there's only 2 girls who are little, and then 1 girl who is like a very young adult, but I had to confirm, so I have to get 1 more thing for her. Otherwise it's all boys. It's all boys, and so it was a little bit challenging, I have to say, but some people wrote out what they really liked, but most people didn't put anything, and some people just put like 1 word. Oh, and another thing that I should mention is that there's really no price point, so you could, I guess, go as cheap as you want, or you could go as expensive as you want, but you also have to know that in return you could also get, you know, very inexpensive homemade crafty gifts, or you could get very, you know, pricey items. So it's totally up to you, and you just have to know that you don't know what you're going to get, because everyone obviously thinks differently, everyone makes different things, people buy different things, so you just kind of have to go with that. But I love giving gifts. I'm excited, so let me show you. Okay, so every mom in the cabin is going to get a pouch with her initial, because everybody included their names. It was only, I think, 1 family who didn't include the kids' names, but you know, it wasn't necessary for this. So every mom is getting a little pouch, and I thought it was so cute. It's Stitch. Most of them are the same, but on some letters, like Stitch is on top, sleeping. So I thought this was really, really cute. General price for this was $6, and they were 50% off, so I got them for $3. So I think this is perfect. I think, you know, who doesn't need an extra pouch for some? For the 2 young girls from 2 different cabins, I got these mini ears. I thought they were adorable. They're also from Primark, and they were $8 each. But since getting these, I found out that in one of the cabins that has one of the younger girls. There's that young adult and she's also a girl. So I'm gonna go back and just get one more pair of ears, so then that way all the girls in the 2 cabins have little ears that they could use on the trip. The other thing that I got was hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love these. So some of them are lavender and some of them are grapefruit and lemon. I want to say they're $1.99. I was going to get everybody like one of those 99-cent tote bags or just like a plastic reusable bag from Trader Joe's because it has New York, because I've seen some people get something that's like specific to their city. You know, I was like, that's gonna take up a lot of room and we're already running low on room, so I was just gonna get the sanitizer. I mean, it doesn't say New York, but it's Trader Joe's, whatever. And who doesn't like nice smelling hand sanitizer? So this is going to every cabin. Now, since there are a lot of kids and most of the kids are young and just like a few younger teenagers, I ended up getting Pez candy. It was very affordable. I think it was like $1.25 for each one. And since majority of the cabins said that they like Marvel, they're all getting Marvel. They're all a little different, but here is a Spider-Man. And I don't know what's his name. I don't really watch Marvel. As extras for cabins that said that they like Marvel, I was able to get some of these collectible bag clips. So they're all a little different. Like original price was $7.99 and then it was $4.99 on sale. It's like a local little shop that we have here, and so ultimately I got them for $2.99, so for $3. So there's this one, Wakanda Forever. Got 2 of these. Someone said they liked Baymax, so we got 1 of these. And then there's also this one. Someone said that they like Rapunzel, so I got this from, what is it, Box Lunch. I had some of their discounts, so I was able to get a good price on this. From Primark, it was $3.50, but I got it for $1. And the, I guess, biggest item that everyone is getting is going to be this adorable little, I don't even know, what do you call it, a little pocketbook. I thought this was so cute. I don't want to undo it, but obviously you could put it over your shoulder. You could use it as a cross body. I mean, like, how adorable is it? Primark had a lot of them because it is Donald's birthday. I don't know, don't ask me how old Donald is, I can't think. I thought this was really cute. And so you have big pocket here, and then you have a little pocket right here. And they were $12, and I got it on sale at Primark for $5. So I thought that I'm pretty much going to put everything in here. Put this, you know, whoever is getting this, and just like present it like that. I don't know if I could, maybe I could even also fold this. Maybe it won't close, but you know, it's gonna go kind of something like this. Let me see if I can make my vision come to life. Yeah, so it's gonna be something like that, and everything will just be in here, and we're gonna drop it all. I'm not sure if we'll do it on the first day because it's going to be crazy busy, but definitely on the second day. Maybe the people that have the ears, because I would love for the girls to wear them, to use them on the trip. Maybe I'm gonna drop it all, but ultimately it's gonna look like this. And then I'm just gonna have a little tag to let them know that it was from us. And I mean, I think it's perfect. It's a treat, allergy friendly, and I mean, nobody has allergies, so that was good. You get your little pouch, then little bag, a toy, sanitizer, and that's it. And then the ones that have the ears, you know, we'll have it, you know, kind of kind of like that. That's it. So I'm really happy. Like I like everything that I picked up. I think it's useful. I would like to hope so. And I was kind of sticking to like $20 per cabin. I think for the most part, I think I did do it. I think I stayed within budget. I also started planning this, you know, many months in advance, so that way I didn't feel like I'm gonna be dropping a couple $100 right away. You know, I think it worked out really good. And so to finish the explanation for fish extenders, so you would have something like this. So you don't have to, if you don't have anything, they will just put your things on the floor by your door. So if you have this hanging on the fish extender by your door, people will leave gifts here. So probably, you know, something like this maybe is a little too big. Some of them get these custom made from Etsy, so they would be a lot deeper. So for instance, like I can put something like that, and then something like this, you know, and that would be a gift for one of the cabins. And then we would get, you know, a gift from them. So there are 6 cabins, so that's how it goes. And then as far as pixie dusting, it's essentially like if you want to just randomly select random staterooms and just do pixie dusting, whether they have like a fish extender like this or you just leave it by their door. I got these reusable bags from Primark. I think they're $4.50. They weren't on sale. I don't want to take it out because it's packed really nicely, but it's Lion King. I think they have them also because it is it 30 years or 25-year anniversary for Lion King. Thought they were very nice, you know, a nice little bag. So I have, I think, 4 or 5 of them. So we'll just randomly figure out who we're gonna gift it to and just put it in their little fish extender. So that's it. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I definitely was kind of like stressing out. I was like, oh my god, there's so many cabins, because sometimes you could have 10 cabins. You know, you have to see if you're comfortable signing up for something like this. But I'm so excited. I'm excited to gift this to the cabins that we are assigned to, and I'm looking forward to getting fish extender gifts from them. So it's going to be fun. I think it's awesome, and it's especially fun for the kids because every time they come back to the stateroom and they check the fish extender, and there's going to be something there for them. So super cool. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. I'm gonna have so much Disney Cruise content coming your way. I'm so excited. We literally leave in just a few short weeks from the point of me making this video, and I can't wait to make all the memories and then bring all of these amazing vlogs to you and everything that I have learned about cruising to Alaska and things that you need and you don't need, and so on and so forth. I'll also come back at the end of our cruise and show you everything that we received in our fish extenders. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.